right, hey, what's up, y'all? So welcome to our Hiking 101 course and workshop, virtual. And I think that regardless of whether you're a beginner hiker or someone like me who's been hiking for a while, this is going to be really useful information for you because this is what we're going to be covering. We're going to talk about where we are now and where we could be as far as being outdoors in this modern world. And this is really just making an argument for getting outside. And hiking is one of the easiest, simplest ways to do it. And it's amazing. There's so many great benefits that come from it. We're also going to talk about finding a partner and finding a community and why that's beneficial. We'll talk about how to find a trail. And there's a lot of different resources out there. We have our top picks. We love a couple of different applications. And then we'll talk about equipment. So shoe consideration, backpack considerations, and then what we call the 10 essentials. All right, and then finally, we'll talk about setting intentions for your hike, which I think is really, really beneficial. Okay, so we look forward to seeing you guys in these next few courses.